Headlines making the morning news. ch0p victim gunned down, attacker as reprisal. Man who reportedly fled hometown gunned down. St. Mary delivery man murdered in unfinished building. Police in St. James are now searching for a ch0p victim who returned minutes later and shot his attacker to death. The tragic incident took place at Queens Drive in Montego Bay yesterday. Police have identified the dead man as 45-year-old David Roy from the resort city. Reports reaching Observer Online are that about 3:15 p.m., Roy and a man had a dispute which turned physical. Police said during the altercation, Roy used a machete to inflict a wound on the man. The man reportedly left and later returned. A firearm was then used to shoot Roy multiple times. The suspect allegedly made good his escape in a waiting motor car. The police were alerted and the now deceased man was transported to Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Efforts to locate the suspect have so far been unsuccessful, the police said. Police detectives in St. Mary have launched a murder investigation after the body of a man was found in an unfinished house at Spring Valley Estate, Tower Hills on Sunday afternoon. The body, which had a gunshot wound to the back, is suspected to be that of Alexander Rocky, 57, a delivery man from Bosco Bell, St. Mary. Rocky has been reported missing at the Port Maria police station by family members on Thursday. Police said the description of the deceased corresponds with that of the missing persons report. According to the police, at about 5:30 p.m., residents detected a foul odor and observed vultures over and over the two-bedroom unfinished concrete and board structure. A resident called the police, who found the partially decomposed body in the kitchen, lying face down in what appeared to be blood with a gunshot wound to the back. The police reportedly also observed what appeared to be a blood trail leading from the garage area to the body. The body is of dark complexion, medium build, about 5 feet 6 inches, and clad in blue shirt and blue short jeans pants. The police say they are probing reports that a small truck Rocky operated was spotted by family members in Clarendon on Sunday. It is alleged that when the truck was accosted, two men ran from the vehicle.